1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Guns N' Roses, Patience. Alright, so first of all, if you want to play along with the record, you got to tune down the guitar to E flat, so half a step. I'm in standard tuning, okay? Alright. So let's see. Let's say the song is in D major. Alright, but it starts on a C. Let's go with the chords and then I'm going to talk about little melodies underneath. C major, 1, 2, 3. G major, 1, 2, 3, 4. A major, 1, 2, 3. To D major. Okay, so that's the main chords, which is fine to just play that, but if you want to play the exact guitar part, we want. So over C major, you want to grab 3B, 1B, open B to 1B. So grab a C and then play that melody while you're kind of strumming in the chord at the same time. Alright, and then for the G, you want to grab, so that's 1B, open B, 2G, open B. Alright. And then over A, I'm going to grab an A sus, 3B, 2B, open B, back to 2B. And then over D, same thing here, we want to grab a D sus. So that's 3 E string, regular D, open E string, and back to regular D. main verses. And then for the chorus, we don't need to use the melodies. We're just gonna strum regular chords, which starts on C, to G major, C major, E minor, back to C, G, D. Every time they end the chorus on this D major, they stay longer. Back to verse, C major. Good chorus. C major G, C major E minor, C major G major D. Stay longer on the D. Guitar solo, that's over the chorus chords, G, C, G, C, E minor. Okay, so, and then the ending, the song breaks, and then the ending is D major, F sharp over D, F sharp in the bass, 2nd fret, low E string, and 2G, 3B. G major, F sharp over D, G major. That's all the chords, and that's what we need to play the song. Just remember to tune down half a step to E flat if you play along with the record. Alright folks, thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more acoustic hits. Be safe. Thank you.